Hi guys, your JBL Pulse 5 speaker isn't charging. Let's find out how to solve this problem. But for now, tap the button subscribe to see more useful content. So, first of all, you need to make sure that your charger and your USB cable are okay. You can try to use the different one charger. So, then you need to take a look at this charging port to see if there are any dust or something like this. If there is a dust, you can try to clean it with the help of a soft brush. So if your speaker is turning on but does not charge, you can try to reset it. To do this, we can find these two buttons, the Bluetooth and light button. We need to press on them and hold at the same time till the lights went off. Now it is reset, and we need to press on this button one more time. Great, now it is on and we can try to charge it one more time again. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.